Hello students, we will read this time a beautiful but mysterious story. The name of this story is The Midnight Visitor, written by Robert Arthur. First, I am giving you a short description about the author, Mr. Robert A. Arthur Jr. He was known for a mystery and a speculative fiction writer, and his radio series, The Mysterious Traveler, and 3 investigator series of novels became very popular in our English world. He was born on November 10, 1909, and graduated from the University of Michigan between 1930 to 1940. And he had written many stories weekly stories so famous. He wrote a number of mystery books for children, and his writing was so famous that he was honored by the Mystery Writer of America. He died in Philadelphia in 1969. Now, there are some vocabulary here. You see, after this theme of the story, in this story, Ausable is a detective, Fowler is a writer who wants to write a book on detectives. Fowler is surprised to see the secret agent Ausable, who had come to write a book on detectives. Ausable is a very fat man, and he does not match any details that Fowler has read in the books about the detectives. When both of them reach Ausable's room, Fowler gets thrilled to find another person named Max inside this room with a gun. Max wants to take the secret report about the missiles from Ausable. Ausable there deceives Max and tells him about Ausable cleverly changed this topic to divert his attentions, and then says that this was the second time for the nuisance caused by the balcony. Then Oswald tells that last month also someone entered through this balcony in this room. Max believes him, and when someone knocked at the door, Oswald says that it might be police. Max gets frightened. Max tells them then that he will wait outside the balcony. And jumps out of the window of the balcony. As he jumps, they hear him fall and cry loudly. Oswald tells Fowler that it was a waiter who came to serve his order, and there was no said balcony. Now, the short summary of this lesson I want to narrate here. Oswald is a detective story. Fowler is a person who had come with Oswald to write a book on detectives. Fowler was disappointed to see Oswald, as he could not find any quality that he had read about detectives. But Oswald was a brilliant and a smart secret agent. When he enters his room, he found a man who had a pistol in his hand. That time, Oswald invented a story and narrated it because he wanted to deceive Max. Another person is Max, who entered in the room of the Oswalds at 6th floors of the French Hotel. And he narrated a story because he wanted to deceive. That's why he knew that the waiter would come to his room. When the waiter knocked at the door, he threatened Max that the police would arrest him. Oswald had told Max that he was the second person who entered through the balcony. Without noticing the balcony, Max jumped from the window. Because he was afraid of being caught. Oswald's presence of mind helped him in getting rid of Max. He was intelligent secret agent. Now, it shows the identity of any person, like Osebels. It is true that sometimes we fail to identify the real personality of a man due to his different appearances. So that it can be said that appearances can be deceptive. Osebel in this story, he faces danger in his work. So that Fowler wanted to meet him for some adventurous stories. And at the end of this story, we find that sometimes appearance can be deceptive. So, at the end of this story, the writer Fowler was very happy to see Osebel's intelligence. Thank you.